Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to follow and unfollow people on TikTok. So let's say you're scrolling through the home page of TikTok. Let's say I want to follow this person. So I tap on this plus here, open it, and then over here you tap on this and then you tap on follow. It's as simple as that. So let's do it for someone else again. Tap on the red plus over here to open this up. Then tap on this, tap on follow. It's as simple as that. Now if you want to unfollow, what you do is I simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom here, the main icon at the bottom here, tap on following, and then you see this people you just followed. You can see these two last people I just followed. So if I want to unfollow them, this following part, just tap on it, and if I follow them, it says now 25. If I want to follow them again, just tap on follow and go fix. It's as simple as that.